Hi, I'm Morit Summers, the founder of Form Fitness Brooklyn, and welcome to Trainer of the Month Club with Well+Good. Today, we're gonna do a weighted core workout. You may wanna do this workout on its own, or you can always add this to the end of, I don't know, the upper body or lower body workouts that are already on the YouTube channel. Are you ready to get started? We're gonna go right into an alternating marching exercise, which probably seems like a lower body movement, but it really is a core stability movement. So weights at your sides. All I'm gonna do is lift one knee up to my chest, put it back down, switch to the other leg. What I want you to be focused on is staying really tall, belly strong. And if you notice, I could be sloppy and in my hips, or I could be really strong and almost doing like a standing crunch. I'm stabilizing through the floor, holding those weights strong. If you wanna make this even harder, you could bring the weights to your chest, or you could bring them up, up to the sky. But this is a really great core movement that doesn't require you to get to the ground. We're almost done. We're gonna do 2 more per leg, taking your time. One more time. Awesome, okay. Now, we have something called an alternating halo. If you have a dumbbell, what I want you to do is hold the sides, belly strong, hips tucked, and I'm gonna rotate all the way around my head, creating a halo. We're gonna switch every time, bringing the weight all the way back behind my head, not above, all the way behind. Breathing, letting the weight pull you. If you notice, the only thing that's moving on me is my upper body. I'm not moving my head, swinging my body. I'm holding really, really strong. Breathe. Oops, alternate. See, everybody makes mistakes, it's okay. One more time. Awesome. All right, it's time to come down to the floor. We're gonna do a weighted sit-up. Now, there's a lot of options, and a lot of people have a hard time doing sit-ups, but sometimes the weight can actually help. So legs bent is hardest, legs straight is even easier, but we're gonna take that weight and kind of throw it to the sky. So we're using some momentum that will help us sit all the way up. Belly strong. Again, if you need your legs straight, that's okay too. 2 more. One more time. Awesome. Okay. Weights to the side. We're going into something called a plank shoulder tap. Now, this can be done in full plank or kneeling position, just like your push-ups. So pick and choose what feels appropriate for you. Just make sure you take your time. So, palms under the shoulders, belly strong. I'm gonna alternate and tap the shoulder. If you notice, I'm not letting my hips twist. I'm going really slow. And if I needed to, same idea, tuck the belly, keep the hips locked. It's just as hard. 2 more. Shake it out. Okay, we're going back on our back. Back on our back. All right, we're doing leg lowering. So we have options. Legs up straight in the air is hardest. Knees bent is easier. We're gonna slowly bring our heels to the ground, or slowly bring the legs as low as you can without your lower back coming up. And then you're just raising right back up again. Again, if you need, heels. And relax. Whew, those are hard. Okay, we're coming back up. Shake it out, give yourself a sec if you need it. We're going into our marching. We're gonna grab those weights. Again, find our stability, belly strong. Push into the floor, knee to the sky. 2 more. Awesome. Okay, we're going into halos, alternating. Breathe. I love a good halo, not just for the core stability, but it's also a great shoulder mobility movement. So if you have tight shoulders, this one could even be like a shoulder warm-up besides an ab exercise. Two more. Awesome. All right, it's sit-up time. Coming down. If you don't have a weight, you don't need one, but the weight can definitely help. Or actually, without the weight, pretend like you're throwing something to the sky. Right, like a ball. Pretend you have a partner and you're throwing them the ball. We have 2 more. Awesome. Okay, it's time for some plank shoulder taps. Remember to take your time. Belly strong, hips are not allowed to move. That's the hard part. One more. Awesome. Deep breath. We are almost done. We have leg lowering. So remember, lower back into the ground, legs up. Slowly bring your legs to the floor. Harder would be legs straight. Two more. Whew. Deep breath. Okay. That was 2 sets of core. Again, go back, do a third, do a fourth, do what feels right for you. Add this to the end of an upper body or a lower body workout. Core can be done any day, any time, but this is a really good, simple, and effective one. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed yourself for today's core workout. Don't forget to go to Well+Good's YouTube channel and join for all the other workouts that are available. We'll see you next time.